Hi all, how you doing? Today my chapter ends with the Bandit, or the GSX I should say. I need to stop calling it a Bandit. Today is going to be its final ride as I've bought another bike. So here she is, all cleaned up, ready to go. She's been traded in for the new bike. And here I've already bought bits and pieces for it, so I'll leave you guessing what's in the boxes. Obviously the ultimate add-ons heated grips is a giveaway, what they are. I'm going to give them a try. These have got the button on the thingy itself, the grip, to control the heat, and these are the Oxford premium ones. These were expensive, these ones, but see, trying to press that button with your gloves on, it's a blooming nightmare. So I've decided to ditch the Oxfords this time and give the ultimate add-ons a try. These ones have only got 3 heat settings, and like I say, pressing that button's an absolute nightmare when you've got your gloves on. Plus I don't think they're very hot. The ones on the Honda Oxford heated grips, these ones are absolutely roasting, but I need to get a new grip for that, because that's as smooth as a baby's bum. This one's okay, but I'll get a new grip for that. Honda, that's been in use all week as a daily hack. 12,500 miles on that, and it's due its first MOT in a few weeks time actually, and it's got new Michelin Road 6 tyres on it. The tyres are amazing. Anyway, let's get on the road and give the GSX its final ride. Final journey. And I'll need to get fuel. Oh, that's neutral. Oh, that's a horn. Oh, hi. Hi everyone. That's what happens when you've got two bikes that have got the indicators in different positions. Shell. What pump are we for? Right, let's get pumping. Right, £10 and a penny. That'll get me up the road. Right, let's go. Ah, what a cracking day it is. It's been really nice all week actually. So long may it continue. And hopefully the weather's going to be nice at the weekend, so I can take the new bike out. After riding the Honda all week with the Michelin Road 6s, this GSX does need a set of tyres, like. Oh fuck aye. And here we are, more roadworks.
Are you going to get petrol?
Aye. I get petrol because I need to fix my helmet. I put a tenner in this morning, Was that a biker sitting away back there?
Aye. I'm surprised he's not come up.
What the fuck are they doing now, roadwork wise? There's cones set up, but I didn't see fuck all happening unless it's that fucking mobile phone mast. So why do they need to do that? They're working on the fucking verge.
Safety, innit?
That's a lot of fucking shite, that's what it is. Maybe that. They're working on the fucking mobile phone mast and they need a fucking set of TTLs. A lot of shite, man.
It's affecting everything.
I know. I tell you though, if you want to make money in this world, in this country certainly, start a traffic management company. You'll make a fucking fortune.
Hey, what might be worth looking at?
Kid you not, you'll make a fucking fortune. They're all running about in brand new vehicles. Because they're making a killing. Do you know that they charge the council and what have you by the cone? That's why you see, that's why you see so many cones. You see fucking hundreds of cones. Because they get charged per cone.
Fuck's sake.
That's why you see a stupid amount of cones. A cone every 2 feet apart. Or even less than that, 18 inches. Cracking morning though, eh? Aye, it's always queued up here, eh? Always queued up here, eh? But what a cracking morning, eh?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Aye.
I'll get in here.
You going for it? I'm going to have to get a new flip-up helmet, Alec, because that Schuberth is too tight, eh?
You like the flip-ups better?
Aye, but I want to try and get a light one, eh? Because the Schuberth's heavy as well, eh?
I'll go for a Super Swap Cup.
Is it light?
Aye?
I'll maybe get a wee, I'll get a wee feel of your helmet later on.
As long as you're talking about the one as long as you're talking about the one in my head.
Aye. I'm not wanting to feel your other helmet because that'll be all fucking damp and moist, no doubt, eh?
A Jerry helmet.
Aye. A Jerry helmet. No, I'll leave you. You can touch that one. I'll touch your other one. Just as well you're in front of me, I would have it over the Forth Bridge, Alec.
No. As we drove up to the roundabout, I nearly took a indicator to go right.
Aye. I'm not used to going over the Forth Bridge, yeah. They'll never come to it for this side anymore. I would just tell them I'm a 125, eh? 125s can use the Forth Bridge, yeah. Huh? Because they can't use the motorway, eh? And then still need to get to Fife, eh?
That's true. What's clicking? What's clicking?
I don't know, I can't hear any clicking. We were getting the old centre click, remember? Still clicking? I don't hear any clicking. You're not dreaming about your high heels again?
Fucking probably.
At least the bridge is nice and quiet.
Yes.
So what do you think of the Sive? Do you think you could stay there?
Wait.
Rosyth?
No,
Nah.
no. Gotta keep crossing the fucking bridge, ain't you?
Well, aye, that's true, yeah. Very true. At least we've got a good day for it.
Beautiful, eh?
Aye. The first time I ever crossed it, the first time I ever crossed this new bridge was in an HGV. Never even crossed it in a car. Aye, I was driving a truck at the time, and I was headed to Inverness. I was delivering a big fuck off marquee, yeah. I mean, I say a big fuck off marquee, it was like the size of a fucking football pitch, just about. Ah, it was a good wee blast up the motorway. Just cunt Alex. Fucking prick.
Speed bumps.
You remembered them this time. Last week you didn't, mate. You were like, fucking mind that boom, speed hump.
I know, bastard. Right up my nuts.
Right. Right, your boy's got pile driven into your seat.
Aye.
Hello, horses.
But you can get this helmet all black.
I'll have a look at it when I get home. Because we need to sort out the car doors tonight anyway, so...
Fucking done it again.
Aye.
Dickhead. I would do.
We need to sort out the car doors tonight anyway, so... If you bring your helmet down, I'll get a wee feelie at it. I'll just say to Michelle, Alex coming down and I'm going to have a fucking play with his helmet. She'll probably just say, well, fill your boots, eh? Oh, we're not far away now.
This is fucking lovely, eh?
Beautiful, eh?
Aye.
That Honda's been absolutely fantastic this week at work, eh?
That's a cracking bike for work, isn't it?
Oh, it's perfect. One of the guys in the work dropped his Honda a couple of days ago, eh?
Aye, you were saying. This weather's fucking...
Beautiful, eh?
I like a wee bungalow like that.
Yeah.
But they're going to take prices of my fucking house.
I know. Michelle wants to move into a bungalow, eh? She wants to, if we ever sell up, she wants to get a bungalow, eh?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind a bungalow as well. It's safe going up and down stairs, eh?
Got a chair lift my bunk you could have.
Oh, it would fit right enough, eh?
Aye.
Aye, 64 mile to the gallon the Honda's been averaging over the last couple of weeks.
Well, you'll be getting that very shortly. This ride so far, I'm averaging 60 mile a gallon.
That's brilliant. I mean, this road's never been as slow as this.
It's not worth overtaking because it's traffic forever.
No, there's a truck right at the front as well.
Aye.
So he'll be heading everybody up. Honestly, I couldn't go back to that. No fucking way. I thought traffic was busy when I last drove trucks, and that was what? Oh, fuck. Apart from the wee spell.
Year ago?
No, apart from the wee spell when I got sacked for my last job. About 20 years nearly. And I thought the traffic was busy then, eh?
I know.
Look at it now. Oh, fuck no. No thank you. Well, Bandit, you've been a lovely bike.
Bye-bye.
You've been a lovely bike. I would certainly
When
recommend
did we
you.
first get?
2
When
years
did we
ago.
first get that? 2 years ago.
July 23. July 23, I think you got it.
Found it weird the first day I picked it up.
I know. First day I seen it when you got it, I thought, you jammy bastard. Brilliant. It's been a brilliant bike. It's never missed a beat.
Nah.
Never missed a beat at all. And I've done all the servicing to it, you know, it's had fluids done, oil done, regular. It's had about 3 oil services, maybe more. Aye, about 3 oil services since we've had it. And here we are. Oh, Cooper's. Oh, there's a nice Beetle.
Yeah.
Aye. I'll take the bike round the back, Alec.
Okay.
That's a cracking Beetle, that. Right, let's take the bike round the back. Fuck's sake. It's hard to push with the boxes on it, eh? Right, that'll do. Cancel the indicator. Last thing I want to do, Alex, fucking drop it now, eh? Right, what mileage is on it? Is it that one? $16,868. You still there, Alex? Right, you've hung up on me.